Well, the search continues tonight for the source of an outbreak of cyclosporiasis, I should say. It's a nasty intestinal illness that has been making hundreds of people sick in our area.
And restaurants may hold the key to stopping the spread of it. Tim Miller has brand new information on the cases and what restaurant owners should be doing. Tim.
Melissa and Jeff, we have just seen some pretty eye-opening numbers on cases in Lucas County, and after the holiday weekend, it could keep going up.
Between 2021 and 2025, we had a total of 12 cases.
In 4 years.
Across all those years, we had a total of 12.
But since this outbreak began in the last 2 weeks, there are at least 190 cases of cyclosporiasis in Lucas County. Brandon Polinsky oversees the health department's infectious disease program and has a feeling the number is now over 200. Cyclosporiasis is an intestinal illness caused by the cyclospora parasite. It causes vomiting and frequent diarrhea. The county health department and state health departments in Ohio and Michigan are focusing in on contaminated fruits and vegetables served at local restaurants.
There's no single smoking gun, smoking fruit, so to say.
You'd like to get to that point, though, right?
We certainly would, just to know whether we are past new infections.
The health department is now urging restaurant owners and operators to handle their fruits and veggies more carefully than ever.
We recommend washing them with running water. Food wash and sprays don't necessarily kill the parasite because it can get into a little cyst and kind of protect itself. But if you have a lot of leaf lettuce, separate the leaves when you're washing them. Make sure everything gets that flowing water to try to wash away as much as possible.
Polinsky also urges them to cook any fruits or veggies, if they can be, to at least 158 degrees to help kill the parasite. And he says you can use the same techniques at home. As Lucas County cases are nearing 200, they're rising in southeast Michigan, too, more than tripling in the state from 170 on June 30th to 572 as of Saturday. Monroe and Lenawee counties are seeing some of the highest numbers. State health leaders want restaurants to reduce the risk of exposure by washing and carefully preparing lettuce, cilantro, basil, green onions, and raspberries, and everyone should wash their hands with soap and water before preparing food. Now, cases could go up even more because of 4th of July gatherings, not because it spreads through the air, only if your guests ate contaminated produce. Now, if it was washed properly or cooked, you are likely just fine. Reporting live in the studio, Tim Miller, WTOL 11.